Most people waste money on residential proxies that are either too slow, get blocked instantly, or not just working. But after testing multiple providers, I've actually found one residential proxy that is actually fast, reliable, and beginner friendly. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best residential proxy and how you can set it up. Plus, I'll explain what makes it better than the rest so you don't make the same mistake. If you're new here or you're just seeing me for the first time, I break down multiple ways to make money online and also share with you tools that can actually help you make money online. And proxies, residential proxies, is one tool that can actually help you make money online by either doing surveys, by either accessing platforms that Nigerians are not allowed to access. In this video, you'll learn what a residential proxy is, and why this particular one that I'm going to show you in this video stands out, and also how you're going to be able to set it up the right way. What is a residential proxy? A residential proxy is an IP address provided by a real device. So you get to access platforms without looking like a bot. Now, what is a residential proxy? A residential proxy is an IP address provided by a real device. Now, on the platforms you're trying to access, you look like a real user and not a bot. So this IP address helps you avoid ban, access restricted content, do web scraping safely, right? And run multiple accounts without getting flagged. And it also helps you run surveys without getting flagged. Now, what makes this residential proxy the best? The first thing is real residential IPs. This proxy providers provides you with real residential proxies. That means it's from real device and not from bots. So it helps you navigate websites and avoid being flagged less times. You have a high number of success rates with this proxy. It is fast and has stable connection. So you see, this proxy is optimized for high and stable performance. So with this proxy, you're not dealing with logouts, you're not dealing with timeout and all of that. It has a rotating IP system. Now, this makes your IP address rotate automatically, thereby making you to avoid detection and show you anonymously on the internet. This too is beginner friendly. The dashboard is actually beginner friendly, so it means you can actually navigate the dashboard even without me showing you how to do that. And then this is also cheap. It's not just cheap, it provides you with high quality IP address, and then it gives it to you at a cheap price, which is also worth it. Now, without further ado, I'm going to show you this platform. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. Don't make the mistake of getting to know this platform and then you don't get to understand how to set it up step by step, because if you fail at that, you're actually going to get a good proxy, but you're going to fail at setting it up the right way. Now, the first thing you do is look at the provider, which is Bigmama.network. Bigmama.network. And once you've located it, once you have it in your browser like this, go through it, scroll, and go through it for yourself to see the details about the platform for yourself. Now, this platform is actually easy to use on desktop and mobile. I'm actually using mobile for the sake of this tutorial. Right, so all I have to do is come over to sign up. You don't have an account already, click on the sign up and then fill in the details and then sign up to have an account. It's very easy. And once you've done that, next thing you're going to do is you're going to need to log in. Because you already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. So I'm just going to log in right now and we continue. So once you're logged in, you're going to have the platform like this, right? And you can see residential IP address here, and you can see their pricing too. You get it for a minimum of 70 cents per day for 24 hours and max of 1.90 cents for 24 hours, right? So you can see that its interface is actually easy to use. You want to switch between countries, you can actually tap here. You can tap here and then you have different countries that you can switch between, and it's a whole lot of countries that can switch in between to get your IP address. So let's say I want to go with United States, which is something that we usually do. Go with United States. It just filters it down and gives us the IP address from United States. And if you're going to buy IP, if you're going to get IP from this, you're going to look at the green ones. It means that it's actually active and full. That sometimes you get to see the ones that have green, the ones that have yellow. Those ones are the ones you should avoid. So if you're going to get um, the best of proxies here, you should actually avoid those ones that have yellow. And most of the time, you don't get to see the yellow ones, you just get to see the green ones. This is to show you that the platform is actually very, very cool. Now, to actually get started on this platform, because you're going to need to fund your account first before you get to start using the platform, all you have to do is come over right here and then click on what will have add funds. You can actually see that I have about $3 here and click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you're going to see this right here. The minimum you can actually fund is $5, which is very good. Other platforms go as low as $20, $25, right? But this one charges you low as $5. You just put it in there and then you pay, you use as you go, right? So all you have to do is you want to pay with USDC, TRC, you can pay with this one, pay with BTC. But I actually highly recommend that you pay with LTC. You pay with LTC. Now the reason is because you don't get to pay a lot of service charge when you're paying with LTC, right? But when you're paying with BTC and USDT, you get to pay kind of more service charge, even though it's not high. But I want you to spend less getting to fund your account on this platform. Now, once you've ended up, you click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you're going to get redirected to another platform which enables you to the details right here, and then you make the payment. It enables you to make, this platform enables you to make the payment. It's also connected to Bigmama Network. So just going to go back to we're just going to go back and we're going to continue with this. So we're going to assume that we're actually funded because it's actually easy to do that. Actually, I'm going to assume that you're funded. Now we have shop, we have my proxies, we have payments, we have FAQ. Now I've been using this platform for a while. So if you go to my proxies, this is actually the proxies that you've actually used on the platform. Now we'll come back to shop. That is you to buy platform. That is you to actually buy proxies. It's actually the same thing as going to home. So let's just go to shop. The next I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy the IP that I want to use. And it's very, very easy. Now you're going to see that this one here, it doesn't allow you to guess. This IP right here is from Cincinnati, right? And that's the first one. This one of 70 cents is from Cincinnati. And the next one here is from Texas. The next one here is from Comcast cable. And this one here is from, the next one is from Georgia. Now, the next other one is from California, North Carolina, Chicago, Houston, Louisiana, Baltimore. I'm actually going to go with that of Cincinnati. So let's just click Cincinnati here. So it shows United States, it shows the zip code, it shows you the ISP provider, the internet service provider, which is Alta Fiber, and it shows you the uptime for this particular one is an hour, and the activity is 100%. Shared proxy, and I can actually buy this for as low as 70 cents. And this is actually the best deal you can actually get out there. So just click on buy proxy. The proxy will be listed to you for 24 hours, and after 24 hours it's going to expire. I'm just going to click on buy proxy, and once I click on buy proxy, it's going to load up. You see that the money has actually been subcharged. I had 3.57 USD right here, but now I have 2.87. So I'm just going to go over right here and go to my proxies. When I go to my proxy, I'm going to see the proxy I've actually purchased. My proxy. So this is actually the proxy I just purchased right now. So it's just showing me how many hours that I have left. So if I click on it right here, it's going to show me the details that I need. It's going to show me the details that I need. Now I'm going to go to, if I actually want to start using this, now this is actually how to get it. Now to start using it, to set it up, how do I set it up? All I have to do is go to SOX authentication, or I can go to you actually know how you want to set this up. However you want to set it up works for you, right? It works for you, right? Now, if I want to set it up, I'm going to use SOX authentication, right? And I'm going to have the password right here. And if I release this video and this IP is still available, maybe you can actually go on and use the IP, right? And you can actually go on and use it. So how do I set it up? How do I set this up? Because that is one important thing. How do I set it up? I'm just going to come to my browser and search SOX Droid. SOX Droid. Now, this app used to be available on Play Store, but it's no longer available on Play Store. So you can actually get it on Play Store. So once I search for SOX Droid, I'm going to click on this one. The first one The first link is what you're going to click on. Some people will say it doesn't work. You just have to be patient. It works. It's there. Click on free download. It's going to show you ad. So let's just do it so that you guys, it shows me an ad. I get to remove the ad and wait for it again to click on download again, and it gets to show me another ad again, or it start downloading by itself. So it says your download has started, and once it's done showing this, it's gonna say relaunch download, and I'm gonna click on relaunch download, and then it's gonna pop this. I'm gonna say download again. I already have the file, so it's gonna say download again. Now once it shows download, just download. You already have the file. Now once you have the file, just go to your phone, and we're gonna have it open. We're gonna have the interface like this. Socks Droid. If you want to, once you're done, you can actually turn it on this place, right? Let's just click on cancel. So we have server IP, server IP. Now we're gonna go back to Bigmama. We're gonna go back to Bigmama. So come back to Bigmama. We know we're looking at Socks authentication, right? The Socks IP is this one right here. So we're just gonna copy this. We're just gonna copy this. No, Socks IP, server IP, something like Socks IP. We're just gonna copy this right here, paste, and we're gonna click OK. The server ports, let's see the server ports that they give us. This one, it's 1080. Okay, 1080, and let's check this username. Let's go for the username. Just copy the username. Come back here. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to see where it says username and password authentication. We're just going to click on it and put in our username right here. This is our username. We're going to click on OK to save it. We're going to come back into Bigmama to copy our password. This is the last thing we're copying here. Come back to Socks Droid. Click on password and just paste this here. And we'll click on OK. Now, once you're done setting all of this up, all you have to do is, you see this toggle button up here. Just click on it, toggle it, and if you look up here, you see the VPN icon is actually showing up right here. It's actually showing up right here, VPN, right? So you see, let me bring it so see this VPN icon is actually showing you right now, and it shows you're connected. Now, to actually verify if you're connected already, you know your IP address, right? You know you're not in the United States. You know you're really not in the United States. So all you have to do is go to whoer.net, whoer.net, and once you go there, refresh it, and you're gonna have this. Remember, we got this. Our IP address. What we're trying to set it up is Alta Fiber. So it's actually showing us Alta Fiber, and this is our IP address right here, Cincinnati, United States. And you can see that it mimics everything, gives us a real device, and now our fingerprint shows that we're a real device. We're not. It's not like it's not showing that we're using a VPN. It's not showing. Look at this. Proxy. It's saying no. Anonymous. It's showing no. Blacklist. It's showing no. Your disguise is 100%. Now to actually start using this and really look anonymous, if you're going to do surveys and any of that, like create a PayPal account, make sure you've changed your time to match with your location. Check for the time of Cincinnati. Check for the time of Cincinnati. If you're using Cincinnati, make sure it matches the time of Cincinnati, right? Make sure it does matches it, and you're good to go. So now, having showed you this, you already know that I bring you legit stuff, and this is max value, proper quality. So if you've gotten to like this so far, you've gotten value so far, make sure you press that like button, comment, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace out.